Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going to dive into the fascinating world of blood tests. Blood tests are common medical procedures that involve taking a sample of blood from a patient's arm. These tests are used to gather important information about a person's health and diagnose various medical conditions. Let's break down the different steps involved in a typical blood test. First, a healthcare professional cleans the area around your arm and applies a tight band or tourniquet to make it easier to find veins. They then insert a needle into one of your veins and draw a small amount of blood into a collection tube. The sample is then labeled with your name and other relevant information for identification purposes. It's important to note that the needle used is extremely thin, so the discomfort is usually minimal. Once the blood sample is collected, it is sent to a laboratory for analysis. In the lab, the sample goes through a series of tests to measure different components, such as red and white blood cell counts, cholesterol levels, and glucose levels. Some tests require the blood to be spun in a centrifuge to separate the different components. Analyzing the blood sample can give healthcare professionals valuable information about your overall health and help with the diagnosis of certain conditions. The results of the blood test are typically sent back to the doctor, who will interpret them and discuss them with you. Blood tests can provide important insights into conditions like diabetes, anemia, liver and kidney diseases, and infections. They can also determine factors like blood type and help monitor the effectiveness of medications. While blood tests are generally safe, there is a small risk of bruising, infection, or excessive bleeding at the site where the needle was inserted. In rare cases, some people may feel lightheaded or faint during or after the procedure. After the blood test, it's recommended to apply pressure to the puncture site to minimize bleeding. If you experience any adverse symptoms, it's important to contact your healthcare provider. In conclusion, blood tests are crucial diagnostic tools that provide valuable information about your health. They are a routine and safe procedure that can help identify potential health issues and monitor ongoing conditions. Next time you go for a blood test, you'll have a better understanding of what happens behind the scenes. Thanks for watching, and if you found this video helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more informative content.